Hello and welcome again. In the previous video, we talked about tuples, and now we'll talk about sets. So, set basically is a collection of unique values. So, it's a container that contain multiple values, and in this one, all the values must be unique. In other words, no duplicate values allowed. Order does not matter. So, it can be in any order. Okay, so the item can appear in any order, so there's no ascending or descending sequence. You cannot use indexing, okay, in this part. Like before, we were saying set of zero, so zero element can be accessed. No, this is not like that. So we cannot access with the help of index. Now, how to create set? We do have a set function, okay? So with the help of set function, we can create a set, okay? Or we can use the curly brackets that can also help you creating a set. So for example, we have I can say num is equal to set, and this is my function. Now in this, I can pass on a list value of list 1, 2, 3. So this is my list that has 4 values. Now all these 4 values will be converted into set, and that will go to the num. So if I press enter and I say num, you see that I got. And this is again a curly brackets. So the sets are represented in curly brackets, similar to the maths. In the arithmetic or mathematics, we have the sets. So we are using the curly brackets there, and we are also using the curly brackets here. So this is how you can create. Or another way is you can say, for example, num1 is equal to, so I can create directly set with the help of curly brackets. So maybe I can say 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And I say num1, then I got the curly brackets. So set is like that. So in short, what we can say is, oh, did you see the interested part? I created the set like that, and it comes up like that. You see, it is for num1. So order does not matter. Okay, so order may vary. If you look at here, duplicate allowed, no duplicate allowed. Okay, order matters, yes. Order does not matter. Sorry, no, order does not matter. Can we use like an index? Is not allowed. Is it changeable? Yes, it's changeable. We can add or remove, and we'll see in the next slides how to add and remove this one. Okay, so let's go and see. Okay, so for example, if I have a list of, I can say, so same list, we can go with this. And if I say I have like 4 and then 3 and then 2 and then 5 and then 6 and 7. So we have like duplicate values. You see that? 4 is duplicate, 3 is duplicate, 2 is duplicate. So I press enter. And now if I go for the num1, you see I got the unique value. So there is no duplicate. And so it will remove the duplicate value by itself. So yeah. So this is a simple way to clean up the duplicate values from the list. So, okay. And by the way, let's try another one. So for example, I have a variable f first name, and the first name, for example, I'll create this is my list. I'll create a list of first name. This is like Ali. Okay, then I can just copy something like that. And then we have like, okay, Nasir. Then we can have Aziz. Then we can have Khalid. And that's it. I think I can just make it a big size. So Khalid and Okay. So this is my list of name. So I have 3 empty slots, huh? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we can just say F name because in the list we can add 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth, we can say we have like Walid. Okay. And let's see. Okay, we got a Walid now. So we can say 5 is Amir. And then we have a 6 is like Toki. So F name. So we have, sorry, F name we have like this one. Now, oh, I was supposed to have a duplicate names, huh? Just to show you. So let me delete F name. Maybe we can do like that. Okay, so F name is nothing, so is gone. So let me define the F name again. And what I will do is this time I'll just make it quick. So we have something like A, Ali. Then we have like Ron. Then we have Ali again, comma Ali again. Then we have Ron again. Then we have Simpson, Sam. We have Sam. Then we have Bob. And then we have Sam again. So we have different people like that. So this is my list. So what I can do is I can just make it short. This is my list. And now I want to create a set from this list. So I can say this is my variable. I can use a set function. I can say, hey, I have an F name. Please convert this F name into the set and give it to NS variable. So I created NS, and you see that? Now I got Ron and Sam and Bob and Ali, unique name, no duplicates, but order does not matter. It ignores the order. So it's not like Ali should come first and Bob should come next. No, order does not matter in this case. So this is what we are trying to. So each name appear only once and order may change because the sets are always unordered. Keep in mind. Now we can use some of the functions, okay? Some of the function like length is a function of ns, for example. Let's see. The length of this set is 4. Okay, I want to add some more value into the list. So I can say ns dot add. And what you want to add? I want to add like will. Okay, so I can add will. There you go. And if I say ns, so I'm, you see the will is added somewhere in the middle. So order does not matter at all. We can remove. So we can remove the value. So let's try to remove. Ns dot remove. What you want to remove? I want to remove Ali. Okay. And now ns. So we gave the name Ali. We want to remove. It's gone. And now I will say pop. I'll use the pop ns.pop. Also, it will delete the value. Let's try to store in some variable. Okay. Which value it pop? We don't know. Let's see. Oh, it popped the wrong. And then if I say ns, so Sam, Will, Bob, so Ron is gone. So with the pop, it will remove the value. Again, we don't know which value it will remove. Okay. Rest is, okay, I want to remove the all sets, ns dot clear. That will clear the ns. And if I say ns, it is an empty set, you see? So there is nothing in this one. So it will remove all items. So if I say, okay, let's go and create a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have a set A that is 1, 2, 3. Now I want to say B dot update. It will create a B set and it will put all the value from A. So it will add all the value from A into the set B. Okay, something went wrong. B is not there. So we have to say B is equal to set. Okay, the B is a set value. Now I can update the B with the help of all A values. We'll go to the B. There you go. And if I say B is 1, 2, 3 and A is also 1, 2, 3. So that is how you can use the update method for the set. Now we'll talk about some of the operations that we can do. In the set, you can have intersection, you can have union. So we'll try that. So for example, we have a set A. Can I delete A and delete B? These are the sets that I want to delete. And delete ms. So by deleting, you can basically what you're doing is you're clearing the memory. Okay, because they created an F name. There you go. So we cleared all the memory. Now I have a set A, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have a set B, which is equal to 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then we have a set C, which is equal to, now we want to do the intersection. So we have a set function. We say in this set function, we have, in the set class, we have an intersection function. Intersection A, comma, B. Now, if you see, intersection is 4 is common in between the both sets. So we should get 4 into the C. Okay. And I say C, I should get set C is like one item, that is 4. Now, that is the value that is available in both sets. Now I'll go with the union. So for example, if I have I can say, okay, we have a set dot union and A comma B, and I put into the C variable, into the C set. So it will make a union, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will remove the duplicates. So there will be no repeat, but it will combine the both sets. And you see, so it combines the both set and there's no repeat value. So this is how you can, how about if I say print C, you got same thing. Now we have another function that is what we call difference. Okay, so a value in one set, but not in the other set. So from A, but not in the B. So this is what we have in A, and this is what we have in the B. So I'm looking for the values in A, but not in the B. So I'll use the difference, A minus B. So I say C is equal to set. Then we have a difference method. Difference method A comma B. So if I do like that, then you will get 1, 2, 3. So available in A, but not in B. So 4 is available in B, so it will not come into this part. And then 5, 6, we don't need that. Similarly, if you go for the reverse part, if say, okay, B minus A, this is like B minus A. So you'll get everything from B, but not available in A. So we get 5, 6, I believe. There you go. You got 5, 6. Okay. Now we have symmetric difference, any value that is not shared value. In our case, 4 is a shared value, okay? So if I say C is equal to A dot symmetric difference. Symmetric difference is a function. Where? In the B. So if I say, please check with that, and I should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So it will bring me the value which are not shared among the sets. So yeah, you can loop through a set. Okay, you can loop through a set. The loop is not the topic at the moment, but just for your information. So if I just say go for x, this is my variable in C. Okay, C is my, but I have to have a C set here. I have to have a C set here, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, for example. So, and I say print x. So it will loop through the whole set, and it will print the values 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So that is how. So C is there. It is actually a set. So it will read 1 by 1 value in x, and it will print the x, and then it will loop again and loop again and loop again. So it will print the value of C 1 by 1. So let's see how we can execute. Let me clear this one, and then I say execute function. In this one, I want to open a file for reading purposes, and this is my file is 02.py. And if I run it, you see that printed 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So it read the value, print y. We do have identity membership check. So for example, I have a set now, what you can say C. So if I say C is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, I want to check. 1 in C available. Okay. The answer is true. Yeah, 1 is available. 4 in C set, false. I can also check not. 4 not in C is true. Okay, 1 not in C is false. So this is how you can check the membership, Okay, that's it for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.